Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a message to your kid using Find My Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Chat, and the chat is opened now. Tap on Enter Message. Type in your message and tap on Send in the right side of the screen. And this is how you send a message to your kid. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!